If you want to feel better from your stuck states in just 45 seconds, then this video is for you. In my workshops, they have a common issue, which is how to handle their stuck states like anxiety, loneliness, depression, and stress. But first of all, we need to understand why this anxiety or these stuck states happen. There is a reason for that. These states most of the time happen because of cell phone alerts, procrastination, loneliness, sleeplessness, relationship issues and family disagreements, health issues, and some unexpected incidents. But the good news is that you can overcome these stuck states now. How? This exercise is quite simple to perform. All you have to do is find bulge between the two eyebrows on your forehead and press it for about 45 seconds. The area is called the third eye or brow chakra. It is believed that the chai or kai energy flows from there to build a communication system throughout the body and connects 12 major meridians via specific organs. When you perform this exercise, it stimulates the brain chemical called endorphins, which helps to relieve your so-called stuck states like stress and pain. Also, it calms your mind, improves memory, chronic fatigue, headaches, eye strain, and insomnia. If you don't have any issues, then also you can perform this exercise because that will benefit you to get spiritual and emotional imbalance. So let's do it now. You can sit or lie down comfortably. Now close your eyes for concentration. Take some deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Now, during the breathing, focus on your third eye. Find out the bulge between your eyebrows. And now, keep pressing that with your index finger for about 45 seconds. Keep doing it. And after some seconds, you might feel a breathing sensation there. So do not be afraid. It is normal. Keep doing it. And when you feel that it is okay, it is enough now, slowly come back to the normal mode. Open your eyes. You can perform this exercise minimum once a day and see the magic. Thank you for listening. This exercise will calm your mind because inner power is more important than your worries. Recharge yourself wherever and whenever you want. And if that does not work, then repeat this exercise for about 4-5 times. Calming the mind is your superpower, because when your mind is calm, you have more access to your resources. Remember, you are the master of your life. So enjoy the process and do subscribe to this channel. Press thumbs up if you like this video and do share your feedbacks.